Gaming will be massive next bull market, and in today's video we're going to be having a look at Verasity VRA, currently sitting at a market cap of $74 million, under $100 million. So this is literally an altcoin gem, ranked 334 and 381,000 people on the watch list. Now we're going to be having a look at some technical analysis right here. We're going to be having a look at Twitter, how you can get 50% cash back if you deposit on BitGet, and what is the best exchange you can use buying Verasity. So first of all, having a look on CoinMarketCap real quick, we can see that Verasity has two tags, AI and big data, and two, we got gaming. Now we know how well AI has been performing in the past year. We know how big gaming is going to be in the next bull market. The gaming industry is 5 times bigger than the movie industry. Can you imagine that? That is massive. That is crazy. Before I get into the whole Verasity technical analysis and the next big move for VRA, I do want to talk about what is the best exchange to buy Verasity. For me, it's been BitGet. Exchange fees are very, very low, and the withdrawal fees are the lowest in the market. And BitGet is one of the best crypto exchanges out there with $3.2 billion of open interest in futures, of course. So BitGet is literally here to stay. You don't need to worry one bit. Now we do have MEXC, which is a great exchange as well, sitting at $11 of withdrawals. That is very, very high. And Crypto.com. If you're buying VRA and Crypto.com, you're literally getting robbed. 2,000 VRA to withdraw it is abnormal. And the exchange fees are literally very, very, very high. So I would not use Crypto.com or MEXC. Go for BitGet or KuCoin. Now, if you do use BitGet, number one, you can get up to 50% cash back on your first deposit. So assuming you use my link in the description below and you deposit $400, within 48 hours, you're going to get $200 back. That's $600 in total in your account. And you could use these $200 to buy VRA. That is awesome. Number two, you could complete tasks and earn up to $5,000 reward. So once again, if you use my link, which ends in 1 day and 5 hours, you could literally get up to $5,000 and over. And every day they have lucky draws of $8,888 for the trader. So the more you trade, the higher chance you have, of course, of getting almost $1,000. Now let's have a look at Verasity on the 4-hour time frame to see what is going on. So first of all, looking at the RSI, we have a higher low and a lower low on the chart. So this is known as a bullish divergence. Okay. On top of that, we have a double bottom right here. So Verasity is currently sitting at a double bottom. And if we expand that, we can see that that double bottom is exactly at that support region. So this was obviously a resistance. Once we broke above that resistance will automatically be flipped to a support region. And this is exactly what is happening right now. And another thing is that we have the neckline sitting at 77. So if VRA attempts to make a move and breaks the move above 77, I wouldn't be surprised if VRA goes all the way high to 0.111 or 11 cents or 1 cent. Sorry, I wish it was 11 cents or 1 cent. So that being said, if you take this to the top, that would be approximately a 55% gain on VRA. Let's have a look at some of the exponential moving average to see where VRA can potentially go. We can see right here that on the 4-hour time frame, we're clearly in a downtrend. So when we were above the EMA ribbon on VRA, we were holding to the upside. We were in an uptrend. The second we close below, that EMA ribbon actually holds us as a resistance. So when we're above it, that EMA ribbon holds us as a support region. And when we're below it, those EMA ribbons hold us as a resistance region. So this is exactly what's happening. We're going to have to see a lot of moves happening. One is break above the resistance. And it's interesting that that resistance right here is aiming exactly at the exponential moving average. So we got a lot of conflict happening around that 77 area. I would love to see a lot of volume with that pump. That would indicate a nice little bullish trend for Verasity on the 4-hour time. Having a look at the regular moving averages, we can see right here that we do have a death cross, unfortunately, on the 4-hour time frame. That's usually not the good sign. And we also have the 50 moving average right here sitting at, once again, the resistance. So there's a lot of conflict around that area. There's a lot of resistance, and it seems like we could make a move to 78, 77, but we're gonna have to see if the bears are strong enough to reject that. And at the end of the day, we're gonna have to see how Bitcoin reacts, because if Bitcoin explodes 3-4%, that's a clear uptrend and a clear explosion for VRA. But of course, if Bitcoin doesn't dump, if Bitcoin dumps instead, we're most likely gonna see VRA dumping as well. So that's that on Verasity. Very, very quick update. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.